Hello everyone, I'm Louis from Softlight. In our previous video, we demonstrated how to clone any animated website. Today, we'll continue working on this website to customize animations using the Litemove tool. In my clone page, we've edited 4 columns corresponding to 4 divs. We'll instruct a simple feature effect, stagger. These elements will appear sequentially while scrolling down the page. Ensure they're within the same level inside a covering wrapper. Then assign a unique CSS class to each of these divs. For instance, leave a class name as fadeIn. As in Brick's attention, do not add any class dot here. Save your page and return to the front end. Then log into Litemove and create your own project. Click on the Litemove extension on the top right of your Chrome. For the initial edition of the page, use the first function. Since I've edited the original page, I'll reload it using the Replace Page function. Choose the appropriate project and select the updated page to replace. Once loaded, Litemove will simulate your page in its visual editor. Create a new timeline and give it a name. For this animation, we'll set the trigger on scroll. Use our selector detector to choose the trigger element. For example, I'll choose this div as the trigger point. Imagine that when you scroll down to the top of this div, all animations on this timeline will activate. Or animations begin running when the viewport starts hitting the top of the trigger element. Now, add a new animation. You can adjust the duration and delay by dragging and dropping it. For selector element in this case, type your unified class for the divs and enter it. Don't forget to use a class dot. In the next parameters, we want these elements to fade in on the vertical axis. For example, in the From tab of Translate Y, 50 pixels. And in the To tab, 0 pixels corresponding to original point. Adjust the opacity from 0 to 1 to complete the fade-in effect. Finally, to make them appear sequentially, add a fixed time for the stagger function. In practice, you should set it quickly, around 0.2 seconds. Let's check it on the front end. It works perfectly. Lastly, you need to copy the JavaScript code to your page. In my Bricks output page, add a new code element. And paste both the JavaScript library and code parts. These codes align with the requirements of gsap libraries. Don't forget to execute them. Right now, let's test its functionality. That's all we wanted to cover in this video. Please let us know your feedback and have a good day.